customer asks an AI chatbot for a recommendation in your city, the system generates a direct, conversational answer. Ideally, that answer would feature your business, but more often, the model names your competitor and ignores you entirely. This is the result of a specific selection process. Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, is the set of criteria these models use to decide which brands are worth mentioning and which are left in the dark. While Answer Engine Optimization deals with securing the single text box at the top of a Google page, GEO focuses on the research phase. It determines whether a brand is cited as the trusted source inside the AI's synthesized response. For businesses in 2026, failing to meet these criteria means becoming invisible. You are essentially being filtered out of the conversation before the customer even sees a list of links. AI engines act as highly efficient filters. They evaluate the entire web against internal checklists, looking for data that is easy to retrieve and verify. Wikipedia remains one of the most cited sources in these models because its content is perfectly aligned with these machine requirements. It has a rigid hierarchy, clear definitions, and established authority. Traditional SEO focuses on these standard blue links, the ranked results that appear when a user browses Google. AEO targets the featured snippet or the voice search readout. It is about providing the single, direct answer to a specific question. GEO functions at the highest level of this hierarchy. It ensures that when the AI writes a custom response, your brand is the evidence it uses to support its claims. This doesn't happen in isolation. The AI still checks for the technical signals established by traditional SEO, using them to verify that your site is a legitimate and secure destination. To gain that visibility, a website must be structured to match the AI's specific requirements for trust. Publishing original surveys and proprietary statistics gives these models a primary source to reference. AI systems prioritize the origin of data over pages that simply summarize it. Precise structural formatting is also required. Using clear H2 headings, bulleted lists, and explicit definitions allows the machine to extract information without the errors common in long, dense paragraphs. The AI also looks for external verification. It scans highly credible third-party sites and industry forums to see if other authorities are mentioning your brand, using that consensus to judge your reliability. Since users interact with AI through full sentences, content should use conversational phrasing. Matching the way real humans phrase their prompts makes your information more compatible with the AI's retrieval patterns. Finally, data must be current. AI systems are increasingly trained to favor recently updated content, often discarding older pages in favor of statistics and examples from the last few months. Consistently meeting these 5 technical requirements significantly improves the likelihood that a probabilistic model will choose your content as its primary reference. In the Indian market, this creates a massive opening. While physical commerce is booming, the digital representation of many local businesses remains unoptimized. There are over 90 crore internet users in India searching across multiple languages. Because so few local companies have adopted AI-specific optimization, there is a vacuum of authoritative content waiting to be filled. This creates a significant advantage for early adopters. The first brand in a niche to structure its data for AI citations can build a level of authority that becomes difficult for competitors to displace later. SEO focuses on source linkings, AEO captures the direct snippet, and GEO earns inclusion within the synthesized answer itself. Establishing that digital authority today ensures that your brand remains visible as the way people search continues to change. You can test your current presence immediately. Ask an AI to recommend a provider in your category and see if your brand appears. Share your results in the comments. If you're ready to build, hit the like button, share this with your team, and subscribe to Marketing Odyssey.